Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to configure parental control on Motorola Moto G67. So first you will need two devices. First is our Motorola Moto G67 and just another device with Google. I have some Aces. Then go into the Play Store, type in the family link and download, then open. Now log in and here click Add Child. And does your child have a Google account? Yes. Before we go further, remember that you can do this both ways. For now, our Motorola Moto G67 will be our parent and the Aces will be our child. But you can also do it the opposite way, the Aces being a parent and the Motorola a child. Then on the other device, go to Settings, Google, All Services and find Parental Control. Here, set up parental control. Let's do this. Select an account and supervise account. Then remember that only one account can be signed in, so signed out and continue. The next steps are for the parent. Next. Here type in the parent Google account, so the one we used right here. Next. And your password. Click Next. How parental control works, here you can read about it. And type in the child's password to their Google account. And click Next. Wait for it to load. Your parents must be an admin for this device. For parental control to work on this device, you're required to activate Family Link Parental Control, a device admin app. It allows your parent to help manage this device from the Google Family Link app. Parents won't be able to use these permissions to erase your device, reset your passwords, or see what's on your screen. Next. Activate Profile Manager. Here for now I'll cancel and here click Done, and as you can see I have another child right here that their name is parent, but that's just a coincidence and that was just email for the show up. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.